Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2007 Ford Mustang GT convertible with a 170A package. The exterior color is Redfire, and under the hood we have a 4.6-liter engine paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights, as well as an engine block heater connection. Over the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels. We also have color-matched door handles and black mirror caps. Up top, we have our cloth black convertible roof. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at the steering column, we have our headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control settings. Up above, we have a rearview mirror with the cabin lights to provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful leather seating that comes with a fully adjustable seat. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 119,520 kilometers on this beautiful Ford Mustang. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our AM/FM radio as well as our CD player. We have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Our driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats. We have a console gear shift lever, as well as dual cup holders and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, we have seating for 2 more passengers, making this a total of 4 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Mustang, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.